Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm heading into Michael's. So I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping. Michael's has brought out their Valentine's Day decor and I think a lot of it is super cute. Starting off right here with this marquee heart for $20. They have a pink and burlap rag garland for $15. Also for $15, they have a red love sign. Down here for $12, they have an accordion style Scrabble looking love sign. And each of these on a burlap canvas is just $8. They have a few different boxed style signs and all of these are going to be $10. In person, these two are definitely more on the burgundy side. And this, which I think is adorable, I freaking love you, on a chicken wire background for $10. So that was one end of the display, and now we're going to look at all of these things which were on the opposite side. Starting with this large galvanized and wood love sign for $20. Down here is something I remember seeing last year. This one is $15. And these, which are new this year, they come in 4 versions. They are $8 a piece. They're almost like a little license plate. Love you to the moon and back. You are the icing on my cupcake and looking for my stud muffin. These tags are $4 a piece, and right above that, they have a few more signs for $5. Also for $5, they have the kissing booth sign and the love you more in red. Next to that, they have this large plank style sign, love. This one is a box style for $18. They have 2 signs in this version with the wood trim for $6. And my personal favorite, the little trailers. This one comes in 2 versions, the Love Shack and this one that's a heart for $16. They also did a couple of shutters, this one in red, P.S. I love you. They also did it in white, and the white one just says love on it for $20. Another returner is this vertical welcome sign for $15. And something I've seen in years past, the little heart cutout wreath, also for $15. They did a large love marquee for $30. And these smaller balloon style signs for $10. This little heart on the end was $12. And just below that, they have all of the standard tinsel and cutout hearts and a lot of ribbon. All of these spools were $3 a piece, just varying in length depending on how wide the ribbon was. They have some cute coffee mugs. These are $4 a piece. And this little tin for $3. They have some wine glasses for $4 a piece. This one says Partners in Wine, and the other one says You Had Me at Merlot. They did some heart string lights and little groupings of ornaments. My personal favorite, the little felt hearts for $5. They did these little cuties for $2 a piece. I hope you enjoyed coming with me to Michael's today. Let me know below in the comments if anything caught your eye. Thank you as always so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.